Your store loads fast. Customers find the product they want, add it to the cart, checkout is seamless, and the purchase is complete. Every store owner dreams of that kind of flow. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to manage your online store in WordPress using FluentCart. We'll go over store settings, email notifications, roles and permissions, and even explore how to monitor your store's activity through logs. By the end, we'll see if FluentCart truly delivers that dream e-commerce experience or not. Alright, let's do it. My starting point is the FluentCart dashboard. So if you open the settings, you will see store settings right away. This section contains everything you configured while setting up your store, and you can update or adjust at any time. Let's say you have rebranded your business. So you can just remove your current logo and upload the latest logo effortlessly. In case you have relocated your store, you can update the location with ease. You can change the checkout currency accordingly and even decide how you want to visually present payment options for checkout. In the page setup section, you get the flexibility to customize each page from your online store. If you want to rename them or link new pages to fit your store structure, that's also within easy access. The product pages give you control over the display of relevant information. Check the single page option to show related products right on the product page. And if you want to use quick view pop-ups, enable the product modal option to display them there as well for smooth and effortless cross-selling. FluentCart lets you enable image zoom for a close-up view, decide how variations are displayed, maybe masonry or 3 or 4 column grid, and even set a custom-based look for products. Now, let's talk about the cart and checkout section. The default settings work perfectly fine in most cases, but you can show or hide the cart icon, automatically create accounts when someone buys, or let them decide with a simple checkbox at checkout. And for one-time buyers, you can turn off account creation with a tap. You've also got quick settings to hide coupon fields, set minimum receipt number, and even define the receipt prefixes for easier order tracking. All right, next up, the checkout fields. This section packs some serious customization powers. Everything's neatly organized, so you can easily choose what information you want to collect from your customers. Just a few clicks and you're done. You can even make the terms and conditions checkbox mandatory so no one can place an order without agreeing first. So that's everything for store settings. Let's move on. So we've got the store running perfectly. Now it's time to keep your customers updated at every stage, from purchase to delivery. So that's why FluentCart's email configurations come with both mailing settings and notifications. Mailing settings help you connect with email delivery tools like Fluent SMTP to make sure your emails hit the inbox, and the notifications hold all the information you need to deliver. You can always enable or disable any notification you want, and also personalize the email content according to your requirements. As of now, let's stick with the default setup. And then you have the super useful role management. So when your business grows, you may need to onboard your team members to run your store smoothly. All you need to do is select the user from your WordPress site, select the role based on your need, and click Attach the role. So right away, you can see the role is created with your given access, and the member is ready to manage your FluentCart store for you. In case you want more efficient and secure file management, you can simply integrate it with cloud-based services like Amazon S3. So here, you need to provide the credentials and save the changes to complete the process. And those simple steps are all you need to store digital product files and other assets seamlessly outside your local file storage server. If you want to monitor actions and spot issues fast, this part is a must-watch for you. Let's open Logs. It's basically the diary that records every important action of your store. At the top of the Logs page, you'll see several tabs that make it easy to filter and find exactly what you're looking for. The Success tab shows everything that's been completed successfully, while Warning highlights smaller issues you might want to keep an eye on. If something needs immediate attention, it'll show up under Error, and all the general updates or background activities are listed in Info. There's even a dedicated API tab where you can track all external interactions, super helpful for keeping tracks of integrations. Let's not forget about the search, which can give you quick access to anything you need instantly. And if you want full control over what's on your screen, use toggle columns to hide or show details, plus sort everything just the way you want it. Together, it gives you a complete real time view of your store's running so you can manage your store smarter and faster. If you're still wondering how it all ties together, let's check out the store management flow in real time. Whenever someone lands in my store, the experience is super fast loading and they get easy access to the products they want. Right after adding it to the cart, customers can go for checkout and it's completed in seconds. Instantly, they get an email confirmation that confirms their purchase. As fluent as it should be. Now, let's say a customer accidentally orders multiple items instead of one and asks for a refund. You processed it, but due to some API issues, it failed. With FluentCart, everything is logged, so you can quickly spot what went wrong and fix it instantly and ensure your store is operating as smoothly as it should be. The dream flow of your customer and, of course, for you as a store owner. And that's how you can track every order, manage clients, get a clear view of how your store is performing over time, and manage your store like a pro. FluentCart not just makes setting up a store easier, but it also helps you to manage your store smartly even after you get busy with tons of tasks. So why wait? If you've been dreaming of launching your own store, now's the time. Grab FluentCart and start building today.